Welcome back to MSN Construction YouTube channel. How are you guys? In today's video session, I would like to talk about the ChatGPT software, which is now very familiar with everyone now all over the world. But I just wanted to show you guys how to use ChatGPT to know the basics of civil engineering. So let's have a start up with ChatGPT now. It's already installed to my mobile phone, so I'll be clicking the particular software ChatGPT. So now I'm trying to drive you through ChatGPT. First we'll type as basics of civil engineering. So it will give you some details on that. So as you can see, it says that civil engineering is a professional discipline that deals with the design, construction and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment. So there are key areas of civil engineering: structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, water resource engineering, environmental engineering, construction engineering likewise. So the fundamental concepts are statics and dynamics, materials science, fluid mechanics, surveying, project management. So under typical projects, buildings, infrastructure, water systems, environmental systems. So the civil engineers often work in interdisciplinary teams, collaborating with architects, urban planners, environmental scientists and other engineers to create and maintain the infrastructure that supports the modern society. So likewise, whatever the details you are hoping to get through ChatGPT, you can get it simply by typing it and just forwarding it by the pressing the arrow button. So it will generate you the answers clearly. So thank you very much guys. We'll meet up with another session very soon. Till then, stay blessed, have a nice day.